Hey guys, get ready with me today. I wanted also to show you how I style my hair, but before I do that, I'd like to talk about hair care. If you have sensitive scalp and suffer from dandruff or hair fall, I recommend switching to Dove Dermacare. A good cleansing routine is as important as your skincare routine, and poor health scalp can lead to dandruff. And we all know that having dandruff can make us feel less confident no matter how much we style our hair. So it's essential to take care of our scalp first. As for my hair, I embarked on a hair journey after bleaching it a few years ago. My scalp became so dry and I experienced a lot of hair fall. That's why I'm extra careful with the hair products that I use now, especially shampoos. I ruined my hair and scalp before and it took me years to where I am now, because I didn't know what products to use. That's why I wanted to share my tips with you guys. I have always used Dove and I've been using their original shampoo since high school. I've tried other shampoos before, but I learned the hard way not to get sweat easily. I want to recommend Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoo if you have dandruff or hair fall problems like I do. This shampoo is less harsh than other anti-dandruff shampoos and it won't dry out your hair. I also noticed that my hair feels so smooth and not stiff after use. I highly recommend checking them out if you're looking for an effective anti-hair fall and dandruff shampoo. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I just used a hair straightener and I just kind of like curl the ends of my hair. That's basically the best way for me to style your long layered hair, because it just adds a little bit more texture. And yeah, I just love the way it looks after that. I know right now it looks crazy, but it's gonna look better after a while. You guys just trust the process. Okay guys, on to my favorite part, makeup time. And you guys, I'm so frustrated because I forgot to hit the record button. So yeah, I didn't record the first half of my base routine. But if you guys wanted to check out my base routine, I did upload a makeup tutorial and that's basically the same. So I'll just link that on the description box below. Now I'm just applying Rare Beauty in the shade Happy all over my cheeks, and basically this is the look that I do when I'm in a hurry or when I don't know what makeup look to wear. So it's pretty standard for me and this is what I do almost every day. I lied, I don't do my makeup every single day, but basically this is what I do when I do my makeup. Okay guys, now it's time to shade. I like this product a lot because it's so natural. It's from Wake Make and it's their mix blurring volume shading powder, I believe it's what it's called. But it's really nice if you want natural finish, and yeah, I just really love it. My trusty Charlotte Tilbury powder. This sets your makeup beautifully. It blurs out your pores. It just makes everything super flawless. That's why I like using this a lot. For eyebrow, I just follow my natural brow shape. I don't try and shape them. I really like the straight eyebrow look. I think it suits my face the best, so I just do that. And the product that I'm using is from Collier. It's super duper inexpensive. It's around 89 pesos, I believe, and it works so good, you guys. And using the same shading powder, I'm gonna apply the darkest shade on the outer corner of my crease, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Now, ever since I got this palette, I can't stop using it. It's from Dior, and I'm just using the pink one on the center part of my lids, and I'm gonna use the gold one on the outer corner and also on my eye pillow. And it looks so beautiful. It looks like you put so much effort on your makeup, but yeah, really, it's so easy, you guys. That's why I love using glitters and this specific highlighter for my eyeshadow. Now for eyeliner, I'm just using my favorite. This is from the brand called Kiss Me, and I'm in love with this eyeliner. I've been using it for years now, and also for some reason I kept tearing up. I don't know why, but my eyes are super watery, so it's kind of like challenging for me to do my eyeliner that day. And also guys, this is my everyday eyeliner look. I know it's a little dramatic, but I like it. I like the way it looks. Now I'm just applying the Bibia creamy eyeliner in the shade Linen Beige on my waterline, and yeah, as you guys can see, I kept tearing up. I don't know why. Now you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And you guys, you have to listen to me, okay? You have to get these two products because they're the best combo ever. This is from Etude House, and this is their long lash fixer, and I paired that with the Kiss Me long lash mascara, which I also really like. They have these little fibers which helps lengthen your lashes, and they just look so beautiful together. I love it. Also guys, my mascara smudged, and for some reason I told myself I'm gonna let it dry and then remove it, but I never did. But for powdered blush, this is my most favorite at the moment. This is from Dior in the shade pink. And yeah, I'm just gonna add that all over my cheeks, and it looks so beautiful and so fresh. I love using it. Now for the lips, I'm gonna be using the Romance Zero Matte Lipstick in Pink Sand all over, and I'm just gonna smudge it out. And then at the center of my lips, I'm gonna be applying the Romance lip tint in the shade Very Berry Pink. And yeah, that's it for this look, you guys. It's super simple, super easy. It's my go-to and I don't know what type of makeup look to wear. This is what I do because it's super simple, but it looks like you put so much effort on. So yeah. Also guys, I hope you do enjoy my hair care. No, not the hair care, my hair styling routine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you leave your likes and subscribe and comment if you must, if you like.